There is a spirituality angle to why South African women like Nigerian men. More why will not be where there is no power. Evolutionary psychology tells you that, right? Going back to the times when man could just pull up between sticks and stones, carry one woman for his shoulder, they run, go back in house. They had to choose place where power they. Their nation is literally not theirs. They are men who should summon their Alusi Ikenga, the warrior deity that makes their penis, that makes your penis what it's salt. The more that powers their warriors. All I have is my balls, and on my arm, you pink fuckers won't sodomize me. Yeah? Their men are slaves in their own motherland. So their Mwai, whom they should own, are not theirs. Their land is not theirs. None. Their waters are not theirs. That's the why that their ancestors transacted it. Their apple trees are not theirs. So their women run from them. If your land doesn't have more, in most cases, the one that will flee. She will flee to another man, another caveman who is slightly better than you. Yeah? She not go wait me to carry him. She go run, go meet the person. Make herself, reduce her price, make she day secure.